All right, you guys, check what I see under this tree. So this is my grandpa's land, own land. And the gentleman that now owns this land has built a pretty house here, and he feeds the deer. And look, they're hanging under this tree. So we're going to try to get closer without spooking him. Look at that. Aren't they beautiful? Oh, here he goes. Whoop, through the trees. Like there's still one more left. They're like, you're messing up our shade today. Look at them. Aren't they gorgeous? They got water here if they need it. Wow. Look at that. Uh-oh. There's one. There they go. Aw, aren't they pretty? What a great highlight. See if I can get just a teeny bit closer. Look at them. Look, look, look. Aren't they beautiful? Whoop. Oh, focus. Hold on, let me see if I can focus. Ah, there we go. Yeah, I'm taking video of you, cutie cutie. I have no gun. It's not deer hunt season. I don't even have a license for that. I'm just here taking video. Look at her. How awesome is that? There's 4. See those 3 over there? Wow. Look at them. There they go. Now that was cool. Wow. That is awesome. I hope you all enjoyed that. That was some beautiful deer on this beautiful land that my dad was raised on. Beautiful day in Oklahoma. Thanks for joining me, and thank you for liking and subscribing to my videos, and I hope you enjoyed seeing these beautiful deer.